Welcome to the Biotechnology lecture series. Today, we will discuss genetic mutations. A gene is a section of DNA genetic code. Our genetic code is a blueprint for our bodies. Just like how different LEGO blocks can create different structures, our DNA determines how our bodies are built and function. And if we say, what is a genetic mutation? It is a change that occurs in our DNA code, sequence of nucleotides. The four nucleotides are adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine. Sometimes, mistakes happen during the DNA copying process, leading to changes called mutations. What causes mutations? The reasons could be errors in DNA replication during cell division, exposure to mutagens, radioactive substances, X-rays, ultraviolet radiation and certain chemicals, and viral infections and other infectious agents. There are two types of mutations: point and chromosomal mutations. Point mutations are like small spelling mistakes that affect only one or a few letters in our DNA code. A single base pair may be added, deleted, or changed. For example, A guanine might be swapped for A cytosine. Insertions or deletions are examples of point mutations. They are like adding or removing LEGO blocks from the blueprint, causing the instructions to be read differently. In chromosomal mutation, entire sections of chromosomes can be rearranged or lost. One or more genes may be swapped or deleted. The question arises, what can happen with mutations? The answer is, some mutations do not cause any noticeable changes, while others can lead to genetic disorders or diseases. And mutations can even give an organism an advantage in its environment, leading to new traits or abilities, species evolution. The real-life example is sickle cell anemia. The disease is caused by a mutation in the gene that helps make hemoglobin a protein that carries oxygen in red blood cells. The disease is caused by a mutation in the gene that helps make hemoglobin a protein that carries oxygen in red blood cells. That's all from this lecture. See you in the next video for our upcoming lecture. And let's not forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss our next video.